Sometimes you can find a cool craft piece at the thrift store, and that's exactly what happened to me when I went into the thrift store. I found this really cute birdhouse for $2.99. We're starting here with Waverly Color Lagoon. We're going to paint the whole thing here. And of course, we're going to be using my Iron Orchid Designs spring designs. And I haven't been able to use them most of the summer, so I'm excited to use them. Of course, they are going to be bringing out their holiday stuff, I believe, in the coming week. It might already be out by the time this video is out, I'm not sure. But I'm just still using the spring items, and there's how my birdhouse looks with the lagoon on. And now I'm just going to cover it with Waverly white. And now I'm just taking a paper towel and I am wiping some of the excess away to give it kind of a transparent look. We are applying a second coat of the white paint here. And I also did 2 coats of the Lagoon. Okay, I have a new IOD pad and I have a new IOD color. This is called New Grass. This is from the spring line. And so what we're gonna do, open this up. We have to put the ink on the pad. Okay, it's been a couple days since I inked this and I let the ink settle in, so we're gonna see how it is now. It should be pretty good to work with at this point. I'm gonna have these little pieces here. Here, this is what I'm using. This is a spring stamp set from Iron Orchid Designs. I've already taken off the ones I want to use.
I made an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen searching for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other.
This is the IOD Iron Orchid Designs transfer. This is called St. Germaine. I believe that's what they call it. This is from spring also. Beautiful pictures in here to transfer. This is like the easiest way to DIY things. Gorgeous pictures here. So let's see what we can put on. I think a butterfly would be good if I can find one small enough. What we can put on this little birdhouse here. Those are pretty too, and that. Little one there. All right, I'm gonna pick something here.
Whether you like it or not, stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man, searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking.
I do see that spot there. If you see that little dark spot, I do see that, and I do plan to fix that.
Down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart.
All right, so our little birdhouse is done. The back might be the prettiest. So I have it here outside to show you what it looks like outside. I have a little hook. I just have to get a hook for it to hang it on. But I'm really liking it. What do you think? Let me know.
What I wrote, I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you've enjoyed it, would you consider subscribing to my channel or liking this video or sharing it with someone else you think might enjoy it? Here's another video for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.
Mine.